Hello, Namaste. You're watching Galgotia's News Network. I am Prerna Chetwani bringing you the latest headlines, campus buzz, and beyond. Wipro strengthens academic collaboration with Campus Visit. Sumit Kumar Gangwar wins big at Yogasana Nationals. School of Business students take part in leadership talks with government leaders. School of Design students visit NGMA to explore Indian art. Engineering students develop hybrid electric car. Wipro leaders visited Galgotia's University for an in-depth discussion on future training opportunities and student engagement. They interacted with the faculty and explored innovative ways to improve learning outcomes. The visit focused on helping students gain hands-on experience through real-world projects. Wipro shared valuable insights into emerging technologies that students should concentrate on. Discussions also covered how faculty development programs can enhance teaching effectiveness. This collaboration is expected to strengthen placement opportunities and academic outcomes in technology-driven fields. BBA student Sumit Kumar Gangwar has won 3 medals at the Yogasana Nationals in Goa. The event was hosted by the Youth Games Development Federation of India. He will now represent India at the international level. Sumit's outstanding performance at the Yogasana Nationals reflects his dedication to yoga. He participated in both solo and pair events and excelled in the traditional category as well. With his selection for the International Championship, he is now set to showcase his talent on a global stage. His success also serves as motivation for other students to participate in such competitions. Students from the School of Business attended a special leadership session hosted by Zee Media, where they interacted with the leaders Kapil Dev Agarwal and Sudhanshu Trivedi. The session focused on leadership, policy making, and governance inspired by the vision of CM Yogi Adityanath. This interactive session gave students a chance to hear directly from influential government leaders. They learned how policies are shaped and the important role leadership plays in public service. It offered valuable insights into real-world decision-making and how these concepts align with business and governance. Students from the School of Design visited the National Gallery of Modern Art in Delhi. They explored exhibitions such as In the Seed of Time and 150 Years of Rorik. The visit offered them insights into Indian art, culture, and evolution of design. Students engaged actively by asking questions and learning new concepts. They discussed the artist, their ideas, and the techniques behind the artworks. Faculty members guided students in connecting their classroom learnings with real-life observations. For many, it was their first visit to such a prestigious art gallery. The experience helped them understand how art tells stories of people, time, and culture. Electrical engineering students of Galgotia's Polytechnic developed a hybrid electric car during their major project. Galgotia's Polytechnic students designed and built a hybrid electric car as part of their final year project. With real exposure to electric mobility and sustainable technologies, they applied their learning to a real-world solution. The project not only enhanced their technical skills, but also showed their commitment to clean energy and climate action, aligning education with global challenges. That's a wrap from GNN. Until next time, stay aware, stay connected,